Okay, How To Heaven viewers. So the question is, what did I replace my Ranger with? And I'm about to show you that right now. Stay tuned. Thanks. Alright, so what is it? It's a 2018 Lexus RX 350. And big difference between this and a 2020 Ford Ranger. Two different vehicles. So what are some of the things I like? Lots of features. So at night you get a glow in the handles, but you reach in and the mirrors, they actually open. Now the Ranger had power folding mirrors, but you had to press a button, which is kind of silly. It should open and lock and close with the lock unlock on the door. So here we go. This is the interior. And it looks very sporty, but the seats are real comfortable. They're heated and cooled, perforated. It's got the wood steering wheel, wood console, wood touches all over the place. It's real nice. Still got hard surfaces up here. Actually, that's not hard. Huh, I'm wrong. That's padded. And here's her back. You can lock it from any door, just like the Ranger. The Ranger had that as well. And you can see it's got lots of speakers. Really comfortable, full-size back seats. And one of the nice things about these back seats is they recline, so the seat will go back that way. But you can also move the seat, which is really great for tall people. Yeah, I can't do it right now. It's too hard to move it and hold it. It's got rear seat vents right here. And there we go. So you can see the seat really does have a lot of room. And it's got a sunroof. It's got the rear package tray, and we'll go back there and I'll show you that. One of the items that I like to put in all my vehicles are these all-weather mats. So these are OEM, and I put them in the Ranger, and actually the Ranger came with these mats, the full set. It came with front and rears. So here we go. Watch this. You can actually see there's two displays. There's one here and then there's one up there. This has the optional 12.3 inch full display. It's got navigation, cruise control, it's blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and lane keep assist. It's pretty nice. They stick with the analog clock. They stick with the analog. This is the analog clock, and Lexus keeps that design. It's got buttons here for the climate control. You've got some radio presets here, but you also have this little mouse. And so right here, you can hit that button, instantly go to map, you can go to menu, you can go up and down. It's pretty cool. So we go back here, and that'll take you back a screen. So here's the display, and after a while you'll practice with this. It goes left and right, and you get the feel. It's got some tactile feel adjustment, so you can go radio, destination, and you've got up here, you push that and it tells you it's a compass. Here's your music, down here is your phone, right here is your fuel mileage, and then here's your climate control. Now you can control the climate control from here, and up there you'll see it's being controlled up there as well. Some of the switches up there do not appear down here. For instance, there's no AC button down here. You got your power volume for your radio, you've got your tune scroll, here's your CD. I don't know if that's a DVD. I haven't tried it. Don't know if it works as a DVD or not. Anyway, big upgrade from the Ranger. And here's your console, Safety Connect, your door light switches. This is your sunroof, and as you can see, you can tilt it up like that, bring it down. You can open it, and when you open it, this little wind blocking flap pops up. See that? And let's close it. So it's one touch open and one touch close. You just got to hold it for a second, and then you can close your screen. And microphone, and you've got your visors, illuminated of course on both sides. Airbags everywhere. Really nice. So we'll pop the hood and I'll show you that next. So it's a 3.5 liter double overhead cam engine. It's a 350, did I say cubic inch? No, it's liter. I said liter. 3.5 liter double overhead cam, and that's the battery. Air cleaner's there. You can hear the direct injectors. It's got ABS brakes over here, windshield washer fluid. There's your brake fluid. It looks empty, but in actuality, it's just super clear down there as well. That's the big reservoir, and then there's the baby reservoir in there. And down there is your red Toyota antifreeze. So pretty basic engine. And let's go look in the back. So this has an optional feature that I thought was pretty cool, and this is a sensor. You just block it for about a second and it opens right up. There you go. Rear cargo mat. This is called an envelope. Basically you stretch it out between the hook here or the hook there and the same one on the other side. You unzip this and it's a little I don't know what they call it, like a net, and you can put stuff in it. Then you've got your first aid kit. Those are your seat releases. You've got a light on this side and a light on that side, as well as you have this, which is the power outlet, and over here is a hook, and you've got another hook over on this side so you can hang grocery bags. And you've got this for your envelope. That's the net I was telling you about. So once you string these in, you pull the net up and it just hooks right in there. And that's pretty much it. Power. All the RX 350s come with the power rear hatchback. Touch it twice and it'll lock it. And there you have it. So this is my new ride, and it replaces Vision. There you go. Thanks for watching How to Heaven. I hope you enjoy my videos, and there'll be more to come. I'm going to do another one, quick little walk around on a 2021 Venza next.